This is the first time a UAS has been formally introduced into service by the Army. Up to now, all UAS systems have been in the experimentation mode, so this is a big step for us. So this system is going to be operated by the artillery regiment, and it will be used for surveillance and reconnaissance in looking ahead to what's happening in the battlefield, out to a range of up to 30 kilometres as its typical operating range, and the configuration will be using it. This will fly for between 2 and 3 hours on a good day. It's incredibly user-friendly. The soldiers are loving it.
So we use UAS for a lot of reasons. In the 16th Field Regiment, we use them for artillery targeting and to find other high-value targets out in the training area. We also use it for reconnaissance, tracking vehicles, following individuals that we might think are a priority. Really easy to use, real simple, pretty soldier-proof. Shouldn't be too much breakages on it.
It can handle the conditions of Wairau pretty well. It's pretty dusty at the moment. It doesn't seem to impede it on takeoff or landing. One option we have been playing with is a hand launch, a hand landing. So the operator holds it above his head, takes off with a vertical takeoff, and then when it comes into land, he basically stands below and catches it, vertical landing.
It's quite light, it's only about 3 to 4 kilos. And yeah, it seems like it's quite delicate, but in reality it's actually quite sturdy and can take a lot of damage.
The versatility is a real plus. You can use the same airframe to either be a fixed wing UAS with a long range, a long loitering time, or you can convert it into a tricopter, which gives you a shorter time in the air but ability to focus on a target in a much more direct manner. This system is in service with other militaries, particularly the US, the Marine Corps see it as a real favourite. One additional feature I think is worth mentioning is the nighttime capability. It has great thermal optics, and we'll start to use a lot of night flying to show the capability at its best.
Using these drones will just bring us into the more modern age of warfighting, and then, you know, as the future comes along, hopefully we can progress from this small UAS to larger ones that can do more and provide more outputs for us.